Hi and welcome back to today's morning report on Friday the 7th of August with me, Rich Pro Market Analyst and Tech Markets. It's non-farm payrolls day and I'm going to look at Eurodollar now. Eurodollar is it's consolidating, and it had a slight tick higher early doors in the European session, but nothing really significant. It sort of has bounced a touch off the 108.47 level that we saw on Wednesday, but basically it's just a minor unwinding. And you look at the momentum indicators, certainly on the daily chart, they're still negatively configured, and I think that this little rally is another one that's going to get sold into for a test of that these lows. That low comes in bang on. If you're going to get funny about it, it's back to the pip at 108.08. But I'm sort of saying between 108.10 and 108.20 is basically that support band, because that is where the lows have come in sort of May and July. So that is obviously your key near-term level, or near to medium-term level. And I just look at these succession of lower highs and also lower lows, really. I just think that there is further pressure going to be seen on that in due course. Now, in terms of what we're looking at on the hourly chart, it's been a little bit messy, actually. Certainly hasn't been helped by that spike higher and lower that we saw last Friday, but certainly if you sort of look past that, you see this succession again of lower highs and lower lows. And all we've just seen is a slight unwinding of a bit of oversold momentum on in the last couple of days, back towards a resistance band around 109.30, which is around about where we still see the euro sitting. And again, I see this as a chance to sell. Look at these momentum indicators consistently falling over on the RSI around the 60 point. So I think this is basically going to consolidate, likely to consolidate in front of payrolls around this level. But ultimately, I still see the likelihood of further downside. Certainly, in the absence of payrolls, that is what the chart's telling anyway. If payrolls is anything near sort of in line, I think we're going to see further downside in this Eurodollar chart. So using this rally as a chance to sell. In terms of the resistance levels overhead, the key levels, basically you've got the 109.90 level, which has sort of been capping the resistance a couple of days, 109.90, but then around 110.20 was a bit of a pivot level. And again is a minor resistance, but the key resistance obviously comes in at 11.30, which is the reaction high that we saw on the 27th of July. But I don't think that that's going to get to that point. I think the sellers will come in and push it back lower, back towards the test of the key lows again, 108.08. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading on Eurodollar today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.